This is our pink puppy. It's a female. Her weight was 5.4 pounds. We're starting our temperament test, and the first thing we do is just hold them up over our head and see if they're okay with it, or if they start whining or squirming trying to get down. As you can see, Pink is not reacting to it at all. The next one we do is we lay them on our back, and again, we look and see if she relaxes, if she tries to roll back over, if she whines. And again, she's a little stiff, but other than that, she's doing great. The next one we do is we're gonna drop a pan on the floor and see if it startles her. And if she runs from it, which she doesn't, or if she goes to check it out. Which right now, she doesn't seem curious in the pan at all. Next thing we do is we'll put some food down on the floor and see if she comes to check it out. And she went to check the pan out, which is very good. All right, now we're gonna do the umbrella. That's a big, scary thing for them. We're gonna see if she comes over to check it out eventually. We'll see if she'll walk past it to come to me. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. And that is our temperament test for week 1. Age of 4 weeks, first temperament test.